You're the guy that left me behind in Maricopa. The black RT.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How's it going? I'm Mike.
Zach.
Hi, how are you?
Heather.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we live in Maricopa.
Yeah. Yeah, we were actually going to my club's president.
Oh yeah?
We're going to his house.
Nice. I'm sure I'll see you around.
Yeah.
How's it going?
I like the ramp.
Thank you. What's up, bro?
I gotta shake your hand. It's been a while.
Oh, you're aren't you? What's happening, man?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
What's new?
This?
Yeah. This place is crazy right now.
Yeah.
It was controlled for all of 5 minutes.
Yeah, like it's overflowed all the way like around the building.
Well, so last minute they wanted, like, because the whole COVID thing, they wanted space
between them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to do. Last Friday we
That's
had,
why I took up these 2 spots.
No, you're fine.
You're fine.
Last Friday we had over 600 cars.
Yeah.
We had a. How many got? Go get some toppings, bro.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get some grub. I'm gonna walk around, man. Check out. There's so many cars here, man. I don't even know where to start. I ain't done car shit in so long, dude. It's like I almost forgot how to do it. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good.
You start from the ZL1.
You got your ride here?
I do.
All right.
Triple over.
Sorry, buddy.
You're good. Just pretty much go down the aisle.
Where you parked at? Oh shit. Damn, dude, that thing looks like a totally different color at night.
Yeah. Way different.
That thing looks so sick, dude. I love that color.
It's fun. It's a Camry. Can't really.
The LS swapped Camry.
The LS swap Camry.
Dude, there's so many salty people over that, dude. It's not even funny.
We could like on the LS swap Camry, dude. It's gonna like that's like big for sure.
Yeah.
Still holding up, it looks like?
Yeah. Yeah, it holds up to me wiping it down 57 times a week. That's almost like polished now.
I know. You're getting that muscle build up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Sweet.
Yeah, no, man, I'm excited to be out, man. It's like almost forgot how to do car shit, dude. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, going through CV19 withdrawals.
Well, I know. So you got AZ Elites pretty much this whole row. Then you got Boss, which is on the other row, and then you got Team SWAT on the other row. So you got a lot of teams, but then you got a lot of other people that are just out. If you go on that side, on the other back side, that's like the overflow lot. It's just like this.
And what's the name of the club out here?
So it's AZ Elites that's hosting.
AZ Elites is hosted.
Formula G. That's
Right.
actually they're in the mall. So we have all like the legal, everything kind of dotted, signed, everything. So we're able to be here.
Shout out your IG on here so I can remember how to put it on here.
Slammery_19.
For everything, right?
Everything, yeah.
All social media.
Social media, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram.
Yeah, you're gonna.
I don't got the Twitter, so I ain't worried about that.
Man, Twitter's a hard game, dude. Like, you got to be almost be famous already.
Oh, yeah, no,
You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. I'm gonna get some footage of the car. I gotta hit Jimmy's car.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming out.
How's it going on, Mike? You got an IG or something you want to shout out? Huh? You got like 5 of them, right?
I got one. I got a hat.
He got Jimmy Two-Face. He got Stilla. Oh wait, he like flipping a coin. 2 names. I'm like, how many Jimmys live here?
3. Yeah, pretty bad. Jimmy's on yeah.
Everything over there go fine?
Yeah, he's good. I guess it's a reminder.
Good, how are you?
You're famous, bro.
Everybody.
Huh?
Everybody else.
I don't know, man. I just found my way here. I'm just glad to be out doing some car shit tonight.
Maricopa.
Dude. Yeah, dude, that's like 61 miles to here for me. That's a hike, dude.
I get it. I get it.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But yeah, no, I'll let you
This
guys
is it's a crazy turnout though, man. I'll come out, I'll bullshit with you. We're gonna walk around, check shit out.
I never got to see the ride.
Yeah? We're still silver?
Oh, yeah, it was silver.
Yeah? Yeah, I love it, man. I had a couple of issues. Jimmy and these guys fixed up some stuff for me, but yeah, it's pretty good now.
I'm trying to get rid of mine now. By the pay at least.
Yeah? Yeah, I can't see myself ever getting rid of this one, man. I'll probably end up maybe eventually doing a red eye. I think will be the next one. But you know, me and the bank are still sharing this one, so I gotta keep it for a while.
It's still the same.
Oh, we're gonna walk around. We got the whole family out here tonight, checking it out, doing car shit. How do you bust out the intro? Yo, we out here.
What's up, guys? We're out here.
Anyways, we're gonna walk around here and check out some badass rides. There's about 2,000 cars here out at the Elite meet, all over the place. So we're gonna walk around, check out some stuff, and go from there, man. Stay tuned. Go walk around, baby. Check out some of these rides. You want to film some cars? Okay.
Come on, Fstgato family.
You hit a aisle, then I'll hit a aisle.
Alright guys, so we got this thingy-majig right here. I don't really know the cars, but it's pretty cool to come check it out. Oh, it's a Honda. Woo. You see that Honda? I own a Honda myself, actually. I like the Hondas. Pretty cool. This is a BMW. They already have a sponsor, it looks like. This thing's not that cool looking, but good job. They got a Jeep. I like Jeeps, they're pretty cool. Oh yeah, this right here, this is actually one of the best cars. Woo! Look at that boy right here. I'm actually gonna invest into one of these on Fstgato page, so he has to put a Mustang on it. That's a Ford. This thing right here pretty cool. It probably sounds like a racer, so. Oh, look how cool that is. That little Darth Vader thing on there. Pretty cool, guys. Got a bunch of cars here today. We're gonna go ahead and head over to the other lane. There's more cars over there anyway. So, that's what we're gonna do.
We gotta go out here and see what's happening. I heard a couple Mustangs might have smacked into each other. So we gotta get some of that action. Did you flip this around?
No, I just left it how it was. I can't do that one. It's like too much.
Somebody got the Lambo out here. That's all right. I don't want to mess up that pretty car hitting me. Looking clean. So is the mat, is it way easier to keep clean?
No, it's kind of the same.
Still a pain in the ass, huh?
Yeah.
It's like all the black road shit, dude. Just it's constant on them. Drives me crazy. Yeah. No, that wipes easy. I got some pretty good products from Detail Garage, and yeah, man, that definitely made it way easier. This Lambo move, and the doors go up. Oh, that might be McLaren. We gotta check it out.
Dad, look at that blue one.
Yeah, that thing's sweet too. Hey, got the McLaren.
Imagine being that short that you could ride in there, Dad. You hella hit your
And the
head.
doors go up. That thing nice. Okay.
Let's go.
Popo out here. Oh shit, we jumping curbs and shit now. What the hell? He driving through rocks and shit. Learning how to drive today. How's it going? Luckily that's a 4-wheel drive. That motherfucker was already jumping the curb. Trying to play it off.
I close still, so I'm gonna buy now and I'll try to put it in something.
You guys want to run them or what? You ready? You need? I think you guys need a Hemi swap in that or what?
He says you feel burning. You're asking a lot out of this.
You keep running a whole paragraph in there.
You got an Instagram camera?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's Cameron 9576.
All right, I got to remember that. I got it on video.
Oh, are you recording right now?
Always.
It's a high note.
Oh yeah, here you go. Oh, now you're gonna put on a show, huh? Oh, look at now. Are you recording? She's like, oh, I'm hiding.
Man, I just noticed, I think like 2 days ago, I noticed the little message that
The little saying across the back?
That's
Yeah.
humble. I like that.
Yeah, man, that's life right there. Trust me, I've had plenty of my fair share of L's. Whether it be cars, life in general.
Yeah.
But, you know, how you handle it is what defines you.
What? I'm sizing people right now.
Ooh, you're what? Why? All kinds of people making popcorn out here. This car is wrapped. This is Jimmy. He's the one who does vehicle wraps. Did a lot of work on my car. Helped me fix a lot of shit on my car. This color crazy on this car. It looks like paint. It's so clean. Him and Slammery. Smell the E85 burning off that son of a bitch over there. Damn. Anyways, you see what's happening out here. You see what's popping. This place crazy out here. Cars everywhere. Whole bunch of car shit. Gonna be hitting the drags. Gonna be hitting all kinds of stuff in the next couple of weeks. All right. So back with another closeout video. It's the next day. Hopefully I got some good footage here of this car meet. You know, still learning this whole gimbal thing. So, you know, just really excited to get out, man, and do some car stuff. So I'm gonna close out this video, you know, with the normal like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. You know, lots of things coming. Obviously the car scene's gonna start popping off again, so excited about that. And you know, we're gonna get the cold start on the Gato, you know, because everybody loves the sound of that. Seriously, man, never gets old. Y'all stay blessed. Have a great week. Hope everybody's doing good. Keep pushing through this. I know there's a lot of things going on in the world right now, but you know, let's focus on the problem. Let's not create more problems, and you know, we'll all pull through this together. So you guys just keep up, keep going, and push through. Have a blessed week.